To this recorded video. We were supposed to have a live class this morning, but nobody came, so I'm just making this quick video to show you how to do the homework that I'm going to send to you now. Now, here we have a worksheet, okay? And we have a bunch of different rectangles, and one square. This is a square, this one here. This is a square, because it is equal on all four sides. Okay? Up here we have rectangles, and around here rectangles, because you can see they're not equal on all four sides. So last Tuesday I sent you out a video that explained area. A good few of you were still very confused about what area is, so I'm going to try and explain it again. So this box here, okay, I want to find out how much space is inside of this box. Okay, so since we came back from Christmas to this online learning, you've been figuring out at first perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the outside of a shape. Okay, it's the outside of a shape, just the outside. Now we are going to find out how to calculate the amount of space inside of a shape. Okay? So this area that I'm just sort of coloring in right now, I want to find out how much this area is, you know? How big is it? Or how small is it? Okay? So how we do that is we measure the length of one side, okay? So say the bottom part, we measure that length. And we can see here, it's already measured for us. It's 8 centimeters long. Okay, from here to here, it's 8 centimeters long. And then we measure the length of the other box. So from here to here. Okay, from here to here. And we can see it's already measured for us, and it's 3 centimeters long. Now that I know how wide and how long this rectangle is, I can figure out how much space is inside it. And I do that by multiplying the length by the width. Okay, so I multiply 3 by 8. Those of you who were doing this last week, you were adding them together, which is what we do for perimeter. We add all four sides together for perimeter. But in area, we only use two sides most of the time. We only use two sides and we multiply. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24. Now, 24 what? So, in area, we say it's 24 square centimeters, or 24 centimeters squared. Okay? So, with perimeter, we say that it's centimeters. We just say regular centimeters, because we're finding out the length of the outside. But with area, we're figuring out centimeters squared. I'm sure, think back now, have you ever heard of square miles or square kilometers? Anything like that, or miles squared. Like when you describe the rainforest in the Amazon, it's thousands of miles squared or thousands of kilometers squared, how big the rainforest is. You might, if you think about a farm in the countryside, you might hear somebody say, oh, it's 100 acres or it's 10 hectares. They're describing the area, okay? They might say, oh, it's 100 kilometers squared, okay? This box here, this rectangle, is only 24 centimeters squared. It's a smaller one, 24 square centimeters. And over here on this worksheet, this is feet. FT means feet. So like how tall you'd be, 5 foot, 5 feet tall, 6 foot, 6 feet tall. And here we'd say square feet, or feet squared. And down here, this is meters. M is meters. Meters, like you might think of a swimming pool, 50 meters long or 25 meters long. Or the 100-meter sprint. Just like that, well, maybe that 50-meter sprint or that 40-meter sprint that I beat Bernie and all the others in. Well, mostly I beat Paddy and Dara and Justin. I beat all them in that race. Bernie was actually very close to beating me. Jason Norton, I don't know where he came. Very late. So, but he's not watching this video, unfortunately. Well, I hope you are, Jason. We can have another race to get back. I've probably gotten slower. Now, I want to find the area. Okay, I'm going to use my green pen again. I want to find the area, the space inside of this rectangle. All right. Now, it's already been measured for us, which makes our life so much easier. We don't have to worry about having a ruler or anything like that. So we're told that this rectangle, okay, this rectangle is 5 foot wide, 5 foot across. You can see F5, FT from there to there, and it is 7 foot long. So you can see it's 7 foot long. And we only need to know two sides when it comes to area. All right, so we multiply 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is 35, and it's 35 square feet, and that's our answer. Okay, or you can write foot squares. Now, the next one, and the one after, and that, these 4 questions, I would like you to pause the video now, all right, and I want you to try and have a go by yourself, and then when you've had a go, you can unpause the video, and I will go through the answers. So pause the video now and try and do the same things with the other sums. Okay? Pause it now. Alright, hopefully you've had a go. So here we are multiplying 3 by 3, which gives us 9. Over here we're multiplying 10 by 4, which is 40. Over here we're multiplying 2 by 9, which is 18. Over here we're multiplying 8 by 5, which is 40. So that is the area. Let me know if you get stuck with any of these. You can send me a comment or you can send me a picture of your sum and I can help you. Now for homework for the rest of the day, I want you to do, this is the same one. I accidentally put it up twice. I won't do that one. I will do this one here. So I would like you to try and do, for homework, I'd like you to try and do these 4 questions, all right? 5, 6, 7, 8, and this 5th question, which is describing in words. Okay? So, just like we did before, we want to find the area, which is the amount of space inside of the rectangle. All right? Just like you did before, I want you to find the area, okay? And then we will go through it on Thursday. So, pause the video now because the video is about to end. Try and do these 5 sums. Take a picture of your work and then submit it to me through Google Classroom. All right? If you're stuck, let me know. But remember, when it comes to area, we multiply the 2 sides. All right? Good luck.